Okay, is it cold out here? Huh?
Yeah.
It's thick snow, isn't it? Okay, you gonna run and play? We are absolutely covered in snow. You can barely see. Oh my gosh. That is so deep. It's all the way up to my coat. Oh, you gonna do a snowball at me?
I forgot how to make a snowball.
Right now it's kind of a dry snow, so... Oh my goodness, look Cameron, this is all the way up to my coat.
Oh my.
Hey, let's go.
You teach me how to make a snowball.
Hold on. Woo! Oh my god, it's cold. Blowing straight in my face. I can't see.
Ah!
Okay, I love you.
Love you